We would like to open this ceremony by a speech from the organizer, Mr. Nikola Srđandić, the director of the Regional Center for Talented Youth, Belgrade 2.
First, I must apologize because I speak of Serbian and Jana translate because I'm a little tired and I can't think in this moment. Sorry, please, for that. Želim svima da vam poželim prvo dobrodošlicu, da se lepo provedete u Srbiji, u Beogradu, da se osjećate ovde kao kod svoje kuće.
Firstly, I'd like to welcome you all here in Belgrade and to wish you the warmest of welcomes. And I hope that you will feel as at home here with us.
Kao prvo želim da pozdravim sve učesnike. Velika mi je čast da pozdravim njegovu ekscelenciju ambasadora Indonezije, predstavnika ambasade Mađarske, predstavnike ambasade Malezije koji su došli i zahvaljujem se na njihovom prisustvu danas ovde.
I would like to thank all the participants for being here and for their work, and I would also like to emphasize my gratefulness for their excellencies, ambassadors of Indonesia, Malaysia and Hungary who are here with us today.
Da pozdravim sve prijatelje koji iz svih zemalja, koji rade sa decom i koji su doveli mlade studente, mlade naučnike ovde u Beograd.
I would like to thank all of our friends who have brought their young students here, all of the team leaders who gave their time to them and are here in Belgrade with us.
I naravno najviše studente, da im poželim puno sreće u njihovom radu ovde i u radu uopšte, u njihovim nastojanjima da se bave naukom.
And most of all, I'd like to thank and welcome all of the students and participants of the conference and congratulate them on their successes, wish them good luck at this conference and in their future careers.
Izuzetno sam ponosan i zahvalan ljudima iz rukovodstva organizacije koji su poverili organizaciju u Srbiji i Beogradu.
I'm very grateful also for all of our partner organizers who have decided to help us with organizing this conference.
I nadam se da ćemo opravdati poverenje.
And I hope that we shall fulfill the expectations and much more.
Veoma sam srećan jer će Srbija i Beograd u narednih 6 dana biti jedan od centara nauke u svetu.
I'm very happy to say that Belgrade will be one of the centers of science in the whole world for the upcoming days.
Ali ako istorijski pogledamo, naši veliki naučnici Tesla, Pupin, Milanković, nadam se da ćete i vi svi nastaviti njihovim stopama.
But also if we take a look at Serbian history, we have such great names as Pupin, Tesla and Milanković, I apologize, and I hope that you will follow their footsteps.
I don't like them. Sorry. Želim vam svima od srca ugodan boravak i studentima puno sreće u subotu na odbrani svih radova. Hvala vam.
I wish you all wholeheartedly a nice stay here and to all of the participants much success and good luck at the conference. Thank you. And now we shall hear a speech from one of the partner organizers, Professor Dragan Cvetković from the University of Singidunum.
Poštovani i dragi gosti, dame i gospodo.
Ladies and gentlemen, our dear guests.
Moje ime je Dragan Cvetković i ja sam dekan Fakulteta za informatiku i računarstvo Univerziteta Singidunum.
My name is Dragan Cvetković and I am the Dean of the Faculty of the University of Singidunum, Faculty for Technologies and IT.
Dobrodošli u našu zemlju, dobrodošli u naš lep grad, dobrodošli na Univerzitet Singidunum.
Welcome to our beautiful country, our beautiful city, and to the University of Singidunum.
Hteo bih da vas pozdravim u ime našeg rektora, profesora Milovana Stanišića, u ime svih zaposlenih na univerzitetu i u ime svih naših studenta.
I would like to welcome you in the name of our Dean, Mr. Ivan Stanišić, in the name of all of our employees and staff, and also in the name of our students.
Došli ste da se takmičite i siguran sam da ćete doprineti zajedno sa svima nama da takmičenje protekne u sportskom i fair nadmetanju.
We would like to thank you for your competition, and we hope that it will all go in a fair play manner and that everybody will be successful.
Želim vam najpre da svi budete zdravi, da budete srećni i da budete uspešni i na privatnom i na poslovnom planu.
But most of all, we wish you all to be healthy, happy, and successful in all levels of your life.
Još jednom, dobrodošli u našu kuću i sve najbolje sutra.
Once more, welcome to our house and all the best to you. And now we shall have a short performance by a national ensemble called Dimitrije Kuturović. They will perform some of the Serbian national dances. Ensemble, Dimitri Kuturovic, for this beautiful performance of young and talented dancers. Now, we'd like to get to know each other better and to know who our participants are. So I would kindly ask you that after calling out the name of your delegation, that is your country, for team leaders to bring their students and to give us a couple of words about themselves. So first, we will start with Kingdom of the Netherlands. You can introduce your students, your participants, introduce yourself, say a couple of words about yourself and what you do, or whatever you would wish to say about yourselves.
Okay, then I'll start. Well, we're from the Netherlands, and I will first introduce all the participants and afterwards say something about that we're thankful for being here. So I'll start at that side. Jan Marijnissen, he is a team leader also from the Dutch delegation. And then some students of ours, Annabel Broer, Thierry Luthers, and then also team leader Helena. Let's see. Then we have Saskia Witte. Then we have Vera Donk. Then we have Demi Van Dalen. And then we have Tam Bui. And then we have Amy Pieper, Martijn van Wijk, Michael, Anne Siersema, it's too hard to pronounce, Reinier Goudswaard, and Joël Drost, Roelofs, and also the team leader Gerry. Well, we're very thankful for being here, and we are looking forward to the competition, and we have our trust in the jury for fair play, and we hope we will do very good and leave with a golden medal. Thank you.
Thank you, Dutch of the Netherlands. Next, I'd like to ask the delegation of Hungary to come.
Hello, nice to meet you. We are a small group from Hungary. I would like to introduce the Juranga Rajkovic. She is the president of the SYS. And we have two students, Alexandra Kertész and Dávid Czap from Hungary. And I am the team leader. My name is Judith Taylor. All of you, successful competition.
Thank you. Next, I'd like to ask the delegation of Indonesia to the stage.
Good morning. We are Team Indonesia, and first we are very thankful for being here in Serbia, and very nice to see you all. After last year we met each other in Bali in Indonesia. So now I will introduce our team. I have 8 students from Indonesia. I will just introduce them by their nickname because sometimes Indonesian name for Serbian is hard to pronounce. So I will start with gentleman here on the right, Harman, and then Wilbur, Jeff, Josiah, Grace, Lilis, Jocelyn, and Nina. And me, you can call me Shy. And I also would like to introduce our ambassador for Serbia, Mr. Samuel. And the staff from the embassy, from Kedutaan Besar, also being here. Thank you very much for supporting us in this conference.
Serbia hopes to fulfill the expectations and follow and going in the footsteps of the beautiful conference held last year in Bali. Okay, so next, the team from Poland.
So welcome everybody. My name is Tomasz Tokarski and I'm one of the team leaders of Poland. I participated 3 times in ISIS. This is my 4th ISIS. Here is Mrs. Urszula Woźnikowska-Bezak, our team leader. The next person is Mariusz Nowak. He was also already 3 times, it's probably his 4th ISIS now. Next one is Julia Lange. The next one is Przemysław Złota. And on my left, Marcin Tatoń, Rafał Chałupnik, Bartosz Radzyński and Wojciech Rendel. And you can see that our flags are also white and red. However, if we just flip, we can easily become the Indonesian team, even though we are like from Europe and Indonesia is like on the other side of the globe. But we are very closely connected. Okay, so thank you very much.
Next, I'd like to welcome to the stage the team from Iran.
In the name of Allah, my name is Behzad Daniyasadi. Everybody call me Behzad, and I introduce my students, Muhammad Amin Givari and Ruzbeh Aslam. We wish all of you succeed and succeed in this competition. Thank you very much.
Short and sweet introduction. Okay, so next I'd like to ask the team from Russia to come to the stage.
Hello Serbia and all participants. We are from Russia. And we have 2 parts of our comments. It comes from Moscow, this part, and part from St. Petersburg, this part. And our cheerleaders from St. Petersburg, team, Dmitry Sternberg and Sergey Nikolaevich is from Moscow. So we have the same feature of our flag, Russian flag. If you turn it upside down, it can be the flag of Serbia. So we are connected, and we hope that our competition will be very friendly, and we want to have some very hot and warm atmosphere in this competition. Thank you so much. To present, I remember, I'm Oleg Novikov from Russia, from Moscow, from Ivanovo, frankly speaking, and I'm fond of music. I've ended music school and playing piano and sing bass singer.
Hi, I'm Alexis Mironov. I'm from Moscow, Russia, and I studied physics at Advanced Educational Scientific Center in MSU. Thanks.
Hello, I'm Danil Akhtyamov, and my hobby is mathematics. I'm from Moscow, Russia.
Hello, my name is Mikhail. I'm from Moscow, but I was born in Chelyabinsk. I like to play the guitar and to play the violin.
Hello, my name is Nikolai Mostovsky. I'm from St. Petersburg and I was born in St. Petersburg.
Hello, my name is Alexander Goncharov and I am from St. Petersburg too, and I don't know what to say.
My name is Daniel Falkowski. I am also from St. Petersburg, and together with these two guys, I study in the laboratory of continuous mathematical education. So I guess I am the last speaker today, so good luck to everybody, and good luck.
Thank you, team from Russia. Okay, next, team from Malaysia.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are from Malaysia. I'm happy to represent our country. And this is Iqbal, Ayman Afiq, Salman. This is Shauki. And this is our team leader, Mr. Baharuddin, and his wife, Mrs. Rosiapa. And this is Professor Dr. Ahmad Ismail. We hope we can enhance our relationship between countries across the world, and we hope that we can come back to Malaysia with a satisfied heart, hopefully getting the gold medal, and the rest the silver. That's all. Thank you.
Next, the team from Singapore.
Tobadan, not sure if I pronounced that correctly. We are a team delegation from Singapore. From your left, this is Mark. We have Guan Wei. We have Kawin, Kishore, and Desmond. We are delighted to be here to catch up with old friends, to meet new friends, and we are excited and looking forward to sharing our culture and experiences. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Next, the delegation from Georgia.
Hello audience, my name is Irakli, and we're a team from Georgia, and we all like mathematics, and here's George. We have two George, one Andrea, two Iraklis, me and him, and our team leaders Georgi Laskishvili and Mamunka Meskishvili and Mrs. Irma Meskishvili. It's an honor for us to present, it's an honor for me and honor for us to present our country, and we will do our best and show our best. Thank you.
Up next, I'd like to ask the team from Ukraine to come to the stage.
Good morning. We are glad to be here in Belgrade, Serbia. And this is our Ukraine team, leader Natalia Polykhun, two girls from Chernivtsi city, Olga Pashkovska and Lydia Zakharuk, and two boys, Vlad Zuba from Dnepropetrovsk and Viktor Kurilenko from Kryvyi Rog city. And now I'm Paul Pshenichka, leader, and now Vlad Zuba will welcome you with some music.
I play Ukrainian song "Чорні брові карі очі".
Nice to see you all. I would like to wish you luck and success at this conference. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Team Ukraine, and that was very beautiful and challenging, considering you were standing alone. Very good job. Okay, next, I'd like to invite the team from Lithuania.
Good morning, dear ladies and gentlemen. We're glad to see you all here in Serbia, in Belgrade. We arrived here from Lithuania, Vilnius. Our team includes two team leaders, Svetlana Grishko, Galina Vitsukevichene, and two participants, Laura Bazyuk, Mikhail Grishko, and me, Artemy Rusetsky. We wish you good luck. Thank you.
Thank you. Up next, team from Romania.
Good morning, the Romanian team. My name is Adelaida Kerekes. I am one of the team leaders, and I'm glad to be here and meet old and new friends in Belgrade. Let me introduce the Romanian team, please.
Hello everyone, I'm Alexandra. This is my second time at ISIS, and I'm really excited to be here.
Hello everybody, my name is Raul. This is my second ISIS also. I also attended last year in Indonesia, and I'm really looking forward to make new memories in different places.
Hello, my name is Andy, and this is my first time ISIS, and I wish you all good luck. Thanks.
Good morning, my name is Dumitru Georgescu. I'm the Romanian team leader. Special thanks for your hospitality and good luck for everybody.
Thank you. Up next, team from Turkey.
Merhaba. Hi from everybody. We are coming from Turkey, the city of Izmir. Best wishes and greetings from Izmir. We hope we are glad to be here, and then thanks to Serbian team for great possibility and for this organization. I want to introduce my team. Our team leader is Ümit Karademir, the representative of Izmir University, Melda, representative of Izmir, Begüm, the teacher, Pınar, and the students, Hilal, Merve, Göksu, Özgür, and Batuhan. And I'm the teacher, my name is Alper. I hope to see you the next year in Izmir, ICUS. Thanks for everything.
Thank you. Now I'd like to call from the German team to come to the stage.
Hello everybody, we're the German team. My name is Rebecca, and these are our team leaders, Mr. Hollacher, Mrs. Gano, Mr. Orban, Mr. Jung, and Michelle, Linus, Niklas, Janos, and Jan. And we're from the Student Research Centers Center in Südbaden and the Phänomen and the Kepler-Seminar Stuttgart. And we're looking forward to having a fantastic time with you all here in Belgrade.
Hello everybody, my name is Alex Urban and I'm member of the steering committee, and on behalf of the steering committee I also want to welcome you all, and I want to thank in particular Nicola for being ready to organize this conference so fast, and we are very grateful for this. Thank you so much. And at this moment, I also think of Natalia Kazakova. We all know that she worked very, very hard for preparing ISIS in the Ukraine, and she looked so much forward to welcome us in Charkiv. And I think we should give her a hand and thank her for the preparation for this. Perhaps in one of the next year we will come to Ukraine in a peaceful country. This is what we hope. Thank you so much.
And least but not the last team, our hosts, team from Serbia. If they can come and say hello.
First of all, I will welcome you to our country. And my name is Matea, and this is our participants. Filip, Nikola, no, Nemanja, sorry, Lazar, Miloš, Mihailo, Diana, Milica, and Anna. Okay. And Antonio, sorry. Okay. I hope that everyone have the good time here in Serbia, to have lots of fun and work also, good competition, and I wish that everyone wins some prizes, of course. Thank you.
Well, there have been a lot of names, and I know that right now we cannot remember all of them, but hopefully the upcoming days will be an excellent opportunity for everybody to meet and to spend some time together. Thank you to all the participants who came to the stage. Up next, I'd like to call Mrs. Suzana Rajkovic to officially open the 21st International Conference for Young Scientists.
Dear participants, students, colleagues, and guests, Your Excellencies. The International Conference of Young Scientists Competition Series survived a critical time, second time in its history. The story of the past couple of months is as follows. At the beginning of March, when the political circumstances in the Ukraine became unstable and bloody, we sadly accepted the decision of Natalia Kazakova and the Ukrainian organizers of cancelling this year's ICYS competition. We understood the decision. In particular, we are aware that their 1 year's hard work has been lost. Also, the students hope to partake the competition would have lost. At the time of the cancellation, there seemed almost impossible to restart competition organization with a new venue. However, Nicola Sergenti and his colleagues made a short survey on the Belgrade possibilities with a view to decide whether or not the competition could be moved to here. After 2 days, they offered their help in moving to the ICYS 2014 venue to Serbia. Their motivation was to keep the continuity in the organization of our competition. There has already been a similar situation 15 years ago when the colleagues from Belarus took over organization in the last minute from colleagues from Macedonia. At that time, however, it was somewhat easier because students of only 5 countries participated. In contrast, in the Ukraine, participants from almost 20 countries were expected. New circumstances, new conditions. To move the venue to another country and to organize the events there within a very short time, 6 weeks, implies completely different financial background, not to mention the fast and effective organization. This is why the participation is more expensive for everyone. Despite the increased prices, still there are students from 15 countries. All is well that ends well. As the steering committee of the International Conference of Young Scientists decided to change the venue of ICYS 2014 from Ukraine to Serbia, it was touching to see the adherence of all of us to the conference. Finally, the success of students is the main goal. This is also the teacher's success. This is why we are doing this job. Many thanks for your participation. Warm thanks to Natalia Kazachkova and her group for the hard preparing work in Ukraine. Evidently, it was not a fruitless effort. Special and warmest thanks to Nicolas Sergentic and his team for their courage to undertake the organization. It was really a brave action. After that, I can say, welcome everybody on the 21st International Conference of Young Scientists. After so much difficulties, I wish all of you successful competition. Have a nice week here in Serbia during the conference. Otherwise, happy Easter too. I declare the 21st International Conference of Young Scientists open.
Okay, and now we should have one more performance by participants from the Regional Center for Talented Youth, and they will perform some of the Latino dances for us. So let's give them a warm welcome. performance by some of the members for the Regional Center for Talented Youth, Belgrade 2. And with this, I would like to conclude the opening ceremony and invite you all to, with your guides, take a walk along Knez Mikhailova Street, which is a pedestrian zone that leads to Kalemegdan, our fortress. So, in accordance with them, you are welcome to meet up, and I wish you good luck and fair play and a pleasant stay here in Belgrade, and hopefully it will not rain anymore today. So you can enjoy your time. Thank you.